Hey, what up and welcome. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. In this video, we are continuing with designing our landing page. In the previous video, we've just created this cool light gray background. So let's just jump straight to Figma and reference our layout. So this is what we are trying to create. What I did here, I've just created these blocks so that these blocks can guide us visually as to what sections do we need on Elementor. So let's just group these graphic design elements so that we can see how did we came up with these things. So this is an image, so this image can be represented by this block, and this section can be represented by this block, and these three colorful sections can be represented by these three blocks. So in this video we are going to create this frame or this structure of our layout. So let's just jump straight to Elementor and do that. Okay, if we want to see how many sections do we have here on the screen and everything, we can just go to this navigator and see that this is the only section that we have, the one that we are already in. So we can close that at the moment. So what we want to do, we are going to go here into these dots. We want to add these blocks here. Okay, so we are going to take this inner section and drop it here. Okay, as you can see, automatically it comes with two columns, this column and this column. So let's see how far are we in terms of our column. As you can see, that means we've got this column and we've got this one. That means we need to add another row here that will have three columns. So let's check we click here for all the elements that we can add. We take another inner section. We need to be very careful as to where we drop it. As you can see now, it's on top. We don't want that. Let's go to the bottom. We want it to be here. As you can see, we've got this part, we've got this part, and we've got this one, and we've got this one. So the only difference between this layout and this one is that this part, the top part, we've got it right because it has got two sections, but now the bottom part, it has got only two sections, not three. So the only thing that we need to do on Elementor is to make sure that we create three sections. So let's just go back there. This is section number one, section number two. The top part is done, but the bottom part, it only has like two sections instead of three. So what we can do, let's check this section, and then let's click on it, and then let's just say duplicate. Okay, as you can see, this is the section, this part, this is this section. So let's just duplicate it. As you can see, now we've got 1, 2, 3 section, and at the top we've only got 1, 2 section. So at least we have managed to create the structure of our frames. In the next video, we are going to change the attribute of these frames so that at least they can look more or less like this one. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msingati, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.